Sangai International University located in Churachandpur has been removed from the list of universities under Section 2F of UGC Act 1956. According to a public notification posted on University Grants Commission UGC website, the notification advised prospective students and parents against seeking admission to any program offered by the university, as it can no longer offer UGC specified degrees at the undergraduate, postgraduate or doctoral levels. The decision to derecognize the university came after its repeated failure to provide required inspection information despite multiple requests from the UGC dating back to 2015. The university, established as a state private university by the government of Manipur and listed by UGC in June 2015, did not comply with requests for information sent on various occasions over the years. UGC issued a show cause notice on December 19, 2023, asking university to explain why it should not be removed from the UGC list. Copies of the notice were also sent to the Department of Higher Education, Government of Manipur, seeking immediate action and comments. However, the university did not respond to the notice, nor did the Government of Manipur provide any comments. Consequently, UGC formally derecognized Sangai International University, emphasizing that any degree issued by the university shall not be recognized or valid for higher education or employment purposes in the absence of UGC approval. Moreover, this development serves as a caution to students and parents to verify accreditation status of educational institutions before seeking admission to ensure the validity and recognition of their degrees.